Q8274. With which system is differential control associated? A. Trim. B. Aileron. C. Elevator. The correct answer is B. Differential control refers to a control technique used in aircraft to enhance lateral control, specifically during roll maneuvers. It is commonly associated with ailerons. Ailerons are control surfaces located on the trailing edges of the wings that are used to control the roll of the aircraft. Differential control means that when one aileron is deflected upward, the opposite aileron is deflected downward to create an asymmetrical lift distribution. This differential deflection reduces the adverse yaw effect, which is the tendency of the aircraft to yaw in the opposite direction of the roll. By using differential control, the aircraft can achieve more precise and coordinated turns. Q8275. Which statement concerning the 100-hour inspection of an airplane equipped with a push-pull tube-type control system is true? A. The threaded rod ends should not be adjusted in length for rigging purposes because the rod ends have been properly positioned and staked during manufacture. B. The terminal end threads of the turnbuckles should be visible through the safety hole in the barrel. C. The threaded rod ends should be checked for the amount of thread engagement by means of the inspection hole provided. The correct answer is C. During the 100-hour inspection of an airplane equipped with a push-pull tube-type control system, it is important to inspect the threaded rod ends for the amount of thread engagement. This can be done by utilizing the inspection hole provided. It ensures that there is proper engagement between the rod ends and the control system components. The thread engagement should be within the manufacturer's specifications to maintain the structural integrity and proper functioning of the control system. Adjustments may be necessary if the thread engagement is found to be inadequate. Q8276. If control cables are adjusted properly and the control surfaces tend to vibrate, the probable cause is A. Worn attachment fittings. B. Oil can effects on the control surfaces. C. Excessive cable tension. The correct answer is A. Proper adjustment of control cables is essential for maintaining control and stability in an aircraft. However, if the control surfaces still exhibit vibrations despite correct cable adjustment, worn attachment fittings could be the likely cause. Worn attachment fittings allow excessive movement of the control surfaces, resulting in vibrations and potentially leading to a loss of control. Q8277. Aircraft flight control trim systems must be designed and installed so that A. The pilot can determine the relative position of the trim tab from the cockpit. B. The operating control and the trim tab will always move in the same direction. C. The trim system will disengage or become inoperative if the primary flight control system fails. The correct answer is A. Aircraft flight control trim systems are crucial for maintaining control and stability during flight. These systems are designed and installed in a way that enables the pilot to determine the relative position of the trim tab from the cockpit. This information allows the pilot to make necessary adjustments to the trim system, ensuring proper balance and control of the aircraft. Q8278. Stability about the axis which runs parallel to the line of flight is referred to as A. Longitudinal stability. B. Lateral stability. C. Directional stability. The correct answer is B. Lateral stability, also known as roll stability, refers to the stability of an aircraft about the longitudinal axis, which runs parallel to the line of flight. It is concerned with the aircraft's tendency to maintain its level flight and resist rolling motions. Lateral stability ensures that when a disturbance or an external force causes the aircraft to roll, it will naturally return to its original level position. This stability is crucial for maintaining controlled and balanced flight, allowing the pilot to maneuver the aircraft safely and efficiently. Various factors, such as wing design, dihedral angle, and aileron control, contribute to the lateral stability of an aircraft.